Vixens, how are you babies doing? I am doing good. I miss you babies so much. I know it has been like a full week, probably like a week and a half. I know, but I am coming back full force, baby, and I am going to be hitting y'all with these gem videos. Anyway, if you dolls don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Monroe. I do tutorials, retro hauls, retro tutorials, retro vintage hairstyles, vintage hauls, anything vintage, retro. That is the niche on this channel. Also, babes, if you love this channel and you want to support me more, please hit that like and subscribe button, and please turn on the notification bell so you dolls can get more updates when I upload more videos. So, now that we got all that out the way, I have a treat for you guys. Now, there is this new product that's been sponsoring me. It is called Boobi Rehab. This is what it looks like. She is black owned, and you dolls know that I love to support small black owned businesses. She is such a sweet lady, and she came out with this nice product that if any of you vixens, have the issue that I have, you are bigger chested, for bigger chested ladies, for women with bigger boobs, have a hard time finding more versatile bras. I know I have that issue a lot. I can't wear strapless bras. My boobs are just too big for that and need support, but also you want to have the versatility in a bra that you can wear, and the straps can go anywhere you want. So I found a solution for that problem, and vixens, you dolls are going to love this product. So without further ado, let's get into this product, shall we? Alright vixens, so there is this new product. It is called Boobi Rehab, and I wanted to show you vixens this nice product. She was so sweet and nice and kind enough to give this product to me. Also, she is sponsoring this channel, so please check her page out, check her business out, check her social media out. She is so nice and sweet, and she is very helpful. I will have all the details in the description box below. So yes, this is the product. It is called Boobi Rehab. Now, when she gave this to me, she gave me all the clips. Now, the clips are specifically designed to help help with your bra straps, and it's so versatile, and it can help you make your bra straps go back, and it can help you hide your bra straps as well. Y'all know I don't ever put a product out there unless I try it out first. I wanted to give this baby some test drives, and they have worked tremendously, and it is a nice price point. So that is the beauty of it, of these clips. Also, okay, so vixens, now here is the box, and this is how it looks. Now, what I thought that was so cute and I love about this is the packaging. Y'all know I'm very big on packaging. I love packaging so much. I just love the details. It's the small things, and I really love that about the packaging, and I love how she came with this packaging. It is so cute. It even has my name on it. I don't know if y'all vixens can see, but it has my name. It says Saviance back right up here. Use one Boobi Rehab clip once a day. So basically like a doctor nurse prescription. It's so cute. So that is what it looks like. Now this is the bottle, and so we're going to open the bottle, and these are the clips. Now every time I use these clips, like I used one today, and I always put them right back. These are the clips, and she has them in all colors. So if you're wearing a white bra, black bra, nude bra, they come in all colors, vixen. So trust me, you will not have to find different clips. She has all colors, and I'm sure she'll probably come out with more colors than just these three. So this is what it looks like. These are the clips. Also, another thing that I love, when it came with the instructions, it shows you exactly how to use these clips. It has all her social medias right here. So if you vixens are interested in her social medias, it's right here. I hope y'all can take a look at that. Hopefully y'all will like these. Now, there are two ways you can put on these clips. It says on the back you can do it from the front, or you can do it from the back. Me personally, I like to do it from the back because I get to turn my bra around, put the clip and then turn it back and then adjust my straps. But since this is YouTube and I can't show y'all that way how to do it, I'm going to do it in the front, and then I will turn around and y'all vixens will see how I do it. Okay, so another thing too that she has is, if you guys wear nipple pasties, I do. This is really good for your, your girls. I really like that it helps with, camouflaging anything. If you have mesh bras or your bras is more see-through, the see-through side, this can camouflage it. Also, she has her card in here, so if you need to specifically reach her, she will make sure she will get back to you, especially if you have any questions. Another thing I love that she says, thank you, Savia Spec. Here's an added gift. We appreciate you. And thank you so much, Boobi Rehab, for just showing me so much kindness and warmth and love, and showing me also that, you are thinking about us as, women that has bra issues. So thank you so much for that. Okay, Vixen, so now I'm going to show y'all. So I'm going to take my actual straps down. Ooh. Gonna take my straps down on my dress, and I am going to show y'all how to do it in the front, because you can do it in the front or you can do it from the back. So I'm going to do it. So it says loosen your bra straps, okay, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to loosen the bra straps, so my bra straps can be, not so tight. I tend to wear mine's pretty tight. Untighten them, if that makes sense. Alright, Vixen, so how y'all do it is y'all put it, now let me show y'all, because I tended to start, without y'all seeing, but y'all put it like this. You hold it this way, and you put it around this little piece right here. You put it through that. So you put it through this, and you do it sideways. That's just easier for me. I do it sideways, so you do it sideways. Okay, so now that you have it on sideways, now you bring it up. And it's a little tricky at first, especially when you're not used to it. So just take your time, Vixens, and you put it up, and you put it over your strap, like this. So after you put it up, you go over your head, you reach over. Oop. And once again, take your time, because y'all see now I'm having a little technical difficulties with it. You take your time, because I'm not used to putting it on the front. I do it from the back and do it, but. So, take it over and scoop. In the back. Make sure you have your hair up out the way. You take your other strap. Alright, Vixens, now this is how it looks on. As y'all can see, my bra straps was like this. Now it's up this way. And you can adjust it how you want. Me, I prefer for them to be up like this, because I just like the feeling like this. But it does push up your girls more, so you guys can tell on that. And I'm going to get up and show you, Vixens, how it looks from the back. Alright, Vixens, now this is how it looks from the back. As you can tell, I put both bra straps right in on both sides. You have to put it under the flap at one flap at a time. So as you can see, it's both of my bra straps is up this way. Now what you can also do is put them behind. When you take your bra, you can put it on already, and then you can twist your bra around and then put it on that way, if that makes sense. But it has all the instructions in the back, so this is what the white one looks like. Whew, I'm not going to show y'all the black and the tan one, because I'm sure you guys can get an idea what it looks like since I'm wearing the white one. So that's what it looks like. So yes, Vixens, that is it. I hope you Vixens enjoy it. Once again, please check her out. Her name is Boobi Rehab. She is so sweet. She will help you out with any questions you need. Also, all this information will be in the description box below. She comes out with these nice, cute clips that will help you with your bras. Also, these are very versatile, so you can wear them with any color, any bra, it can go up, it can go down, you can crisscross the back, all that. I really highly recommend these clips, and you know I will not put my name on anything I don't recommend. So please check her out. Once again, it is Boobi Rehab. And yes, Vixens, I hope y'all love this video. I have fun creating this video. I enjoy it. I love giving out new information, especially that's gonna help my Vixens. Once again, thank you so much for watching my channel. I love you, Vixens, and I cannot wait to see you Vixens again soon. Bye, loves.